County in East Central Virginia, Northeastern Caroline County in North Central Virginia, West Central Westmoreland County in East Central Virginia, Northwestern Essex County in East Central Virginia, until 6:30 p.m. At 5:54 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Fort A.E. Hill, or near Bowling Green, moving southeast at 30 miles per hour. Miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, people and animals outdoors will be injured. Expect hail damage to roofs, siding, windows, and vehicles. Expect considerable tree damage. Wind damage is also likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. This severe thunderstorm will be Loretta around 6:20 p.m. Champlain and Midtown around 6:30 p.m. Other locations
They were saying,
prepare immediately for large destructive hail capable of producing significant damage. People outside should move to shelter inside a strong building and stay away from windows. Continuous cloud to ground light
by 8.
Significant damage. People outside should move to shelter inside a strong building and stay away from windows. Continuous cloud to ground lightning is occurring.
A Canadian
Move indoors
weather by calling 757-899-2415, posting to the National Weather Service Wakefield Facebook page, or using Twitter at NWS Wakefield,
weather by calling 757-899-2415, posting to the National Weather Service Wakefield Facebook page, or using Twitter at Wakefield. Thunderstorm warning for King and Queen County in East Central Virginia, Southern Richmond County in East Central Virginia, Central King William County in East Central Virginia, Essex County in East Central Virginia until 7 p.m. At 6:18 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Midtown or near Champlain, moving southeast at 30 miles per hour. Hazard: 2-inch hail and 70 miles per hour wind gusts. Source: radar indicator. Impact: people and animals outdoors will be injured. Expect hail damage to roofs, siding, windows, and vehicles. Expect considerable tree damage. Wind damage is also likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. Locations impacted include King William's, Tappahannock, Champlain, St. Stephen's Church, Robley, King and Queen Courthouse, Miller's Tavern, Oolawville, Newtown, Santa Claus, Dunsville, Ealet, Sharps, Stephansville, Beasley, Alavon, Upright, Eno, Rose Garden, and Biscoe. This is a dangerous storm. Prepare immediately for large destructive hail capable of producing significant damage. People outside should move to shelter inside a strong building and stay away from windows. Continuous cloud to ground lightning is occurring with this storm. Move indoors immediately. Lightning is one of nature's leading killers. Remember, if you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning. Please report severe weather by calling 757-899-2415, posting to the National Weather Service Wakefield Facebook page, or using Twitter at Wakefield.
large hail, tornadoes, and heavy rainfall.
The National Weather Service in Wakefield has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Northwestern Gloucester County in Eastern Virginia, King and Queen County in East Central Virginia, Middlesex County in Eastern Virginia, Eastern New Kent County in East Central
The National Weather Service in Wakefield has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Northwestern Gloucester County in Eastern Virginia, King and Queen County, Middlesex County,
in East Central Virginia until 7:30 p.m.
Northwestern James City County in Southeastern Virginia.
The thunderstorm was located near Stephansville or near St. Stephen's Church, moving southeast at 30 miles per hour. Hazard: 2-inch hail and 70 miles per hour wind gusts. Source: radar indicator. Impact: people and animals outdoors will be injured. Expect hail damage to roofs, siding, windows, and vehicles. Expect considerable tree damage.
The National Weather Service in Wakefield has issued a severe thunder.
A decision to investigate.
West Point, Urbana, King, Queen Courthouse, Church View, Saluda, Stephansville, Glen, Geneva, Brownsville, Prepare immediately for large destructive hail capable of producing significant damage. People outside should move to shelter inside a strong building and stay away from windows. Large ground lightning is occurring with this storm. Remember,
Lightning is one of nature's leading killers. Remember, if you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning. Please report severe weather by calling 757-899-2415, posting to the National Weather Service Wakefield Facebook page, or using Twitter at NWS Wakefield, VA.
severe thunderstorm watch number 402 remains in effect until 9 p.m. for the following counties.
In store or with contact.
Following counties: Virginia, Carolina, Culpeper, Foster, King George, Orange, Prince William, Austin, and Westmoreland. And the following
That timeout.
Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch. Thunderstorm watch number 402. The city of Williamsburg in southeastern Virginia until 8:15 p.m. At 7:26 p.m. Severe thunderstorm. Hazard: golf-ball-size hail and 70 miles per hour wind gusts. Source: radar indicated. Impact: people and animals outdoors will be injured. Expect hail damage to roofs, siding, windows, and vehicles. Expect considerable tree damage. Wind damage is also likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. Locations impacted include Newport News, Williamsburg, Gloucester Courthouse, West Point, Queens Lake, Virginia Institute for Marine Sciences, Norge, Tono, Gloucester Point, College of William and Mary, Busch Gardens, Hayes, Carver Gardens, Kings Point, Jamestown, Wycomico, Achilles, York Terrace, and Lee Hall. The storm is producing destructive winds and large damaging hail. Seek shelter now inside a sturdy structure and stay away from windows. Please report severe weather by calling 757-899-2415, posting to the National Weather Service Wakefield Facebook page, or using Twitter at NWS Wakefield, V.